If you can read at 250 words per minute and talk at 120 words per minute, why on God's earth are we still typing at under 100 words per minute? Let's have a look. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to make your emails go faster than ever. This is speed of light stuff. So normally when you type emails, the human can type, as you've seen in the link which I'm sharing now, humans can type around about 40 or 50 words per minute, but humans can speak at around 120 words per minute. So what I'm going to show you now is how you get your emails to go out as fast as you can speak with some light edit. Okay, so when you get into your emails, normally you would put in your addresses in, you type your subject in, and you start typing from here. Bash, 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 bash. But what I want you to do is just take a break again, have a look around, and up here you see this dictate button. So get your cursor in the right place, type dictate. As soon as I press dictate, an icon will pop up down here, and then it will start recording everything I say. So I press dictate, get this blue button here, and then everything that I say is transcribed into the text and becomes the body of the email. So if I was going to type this out as a real email, it would go something like this. I would have my hand around the return button, the full stop button, and the comma button. Dear Sam, I am really wanting to know more about working from home, how I can become better at this, and if there are any other cool tricks and tips you can show me. Now, as you can see, there are some slight spelling mistakes, so you can go in and correct them. But overall, this email can go out much faster. Obviously, in the subject box again, you can press that. Work from home, and kind regards, and there's your email, good to go. And I'm hoping that you find this useful. You can use this dictate hack on Word and any of the other Microsoft 365 platform, but I found it most effective to use it within the Outlook platform when you're needing to get emails and communications out quickly. Hey, thanks for watching everybody. Please don't forget, like, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next video, and hope you're finding these really helpful. More to come.